chick over there on the right. She is jumping up and down. Move your mouse over to the right a little bit. Over. Right there. That chick. Right there. Back it up just a little bit and watch her. She is just ecstatic beyond belief, and she probably wasn't even born when this song was popular. This is like our friend drummer 777 going to see Ozzy show.
Exactly.
But watch her jumping up and down like she's never seen something so great in her life.
Let's see.
You need to get up off your asses and get into it.
Oh. Wow. This one.
Look at that blonde chick.
What is that?
Oh my God!
He's gonna play it. What did she think the guy from Flock of Seagulls was gonna play? Everything but this?
Oh my God. Those two chicks are just like, we got a night out from our husbands. We're going out to see Flock of Seagulls.
Meanwhile, look at this lady over here. Probably this singer's wife.
Right.
Who works in the library part-time. Jesus Christ, look at that scowl on her face.
Right.
She don't look happy to be there at all.
No, she reminds me of the wife on Tommy Boy. It's like, and then the whores moved in, men laying their money down.
Oh, you know who's saying that? This one. Look at her, just looking at this one, shaking her head.
Yeah, I know. She's like shaking their behinds for the men folk.
Shaking those boobs around. Devaluing my place as a woman.
Right.
Jesus. But look at her. Just look at all these scowling faces.
I know. It's just so angry. Just, ugh.
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
This looks like a terrible show.
This just is a train wreck.
All right, here we go. Wait. What is she doing now? She pretend you said train wreck, and now she's trying to move like a train.
She's like, woo, woo.
Chicka, 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 chicka.
Are you ready?